Okay, we have our next concept here, angle between two lines. Two lines, slope of one line is m1 and slope of other line is m2, then angle between them is theta. We can calculate this theta by using tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Mod, once you have to take this positive and once take it negative, you will get two angles, because one angle is this and one angle is this between two lines. That's why, right? So if slopes we know, then we can find the angle between that two lines. See, if lines are perpendicular, then angle will be 90. Tan 90 is infinity, that is infinity we can solve 1 upon 0 and we got a result, cross multiply 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. So we got m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. This result already we know that perpendicular lines slopes product is minus 1, right? And for parallel lines, angle between them is 0. So we got it tan 0. Tan 0 is 0, cross multiply, and we got for parallel lines slopes are same, that also we know, right? Then we have two important results here. By which we can solve the questions directly, that if a line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, any line parallel to this line, will be, coefficients of x and y will be same, just change in this c, that is use it k is equal to 0. These two lines will always be parallel, and how to find k, that will be any other condition will be given in the question. By solving that condition you will get the value of k. So this is how we can use it directly, that parallel lines need not to find any slopes and all, and any line which is perpendicular to this, this is the given line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Any line perpendicular to this line will be, change the coefficients of x and y, interchange the coefficients of x and y, we got it bx ay, change sign of one of them, any one of them, change sign of one of them, plus k is equal to 0. Now how to find k? That is one more condition will be given in the question. By using that condition you will get k. So what to do? Interchange the coefficients of x and y and change sign of any one of these two, plus k is equal to 0. How to find k? By using the other condition given in the question you will get k. So these are direct methods we can use to solve the questions. Write it down.